Just look at the sweet peas. They're opening their leaves up now to get as much of this gorgeous sunshine as they possibly can. Everybody is germinating. I think you can tell that Neil started these sweet peas, can't you? Look how uniform they are, how neat and tidy. They haven't been indoors at all, so this is all germination from a cold greenhouse, and all three are coming up. Some are quicker than others, so there's nothing to worry about. They wouldn't dare not come up if Neil started them, would they? Let me just turn around so you can see a sea of green soldiers. The first of the Cerinthe, they really don't take long at all, which is why we don't want to start them too early. And as always, look, we've got some twins, so we'll sort that out later. We'll leave them alone for the time being. They're a bit too fragile at the moment to move. So look at the Clary Sage go. Absolutely fantastic. Here we have the poppy bowling ball, so you should see plenty of germination by now. They actually look quite fragile at the moment, but if you just give them 3 weeks, they will look like this. So fast forward 3 weeks, and this is what those tiny little seedlings are going to look like. It's absolutely incredible. So I thought I'd show you what they look like now, just in case you thought they were weeds in the compost later, because they grow like weeds. They are so fast growing. So exciting. I can't wait to put these into the spring garden.